ready to unlock the world of tactile, clicky, and feather-light keystrokes as we count on the best mechanical keyboards you can buy right now. From ergonomic layouts to hot swappable switches, this list is something for every typing style and budget. Whether you're gaming, coding, or crafting the perfect desk setup, these keyboards bring precision, durability, and eye-catching RGB to your setup. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that being said, let's begin. At number 10, we have Redragon Mechanical Keyboard. This entry emphasizes value without sacrificing core keyboard performance, offering programmable layers, hot swappable switches, anti-ghosting, and durable double-shot keycaps designed to resist wear through heavy use. Keyboard ships with a sturdy chassis, reliable USB-C connectivity, and vivid RGB lighting that can be synchronized with other gear. It handles everyday typing and gaming tasks with confidence, delivering a responsive tactile feel and a satisfying bottom out without excessive rattle. Build quality leans toward practical daily use, prioritizing compatibility and upgradability for a broad audience. Compared to the Redragon K668 RGB keyboard, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the 10th position model leans more toward modularity and value rather than premium chassis materials. At number 9, we have Redragon K668 RGB keyboard. This compact, feature-rich option packs hot swappable switches and per key RGB into a smaller footprint, making it ideal for desk space, constrained setups, or gamers who crave fast, punchy keystrokes. It supports multiple profiles, convenient macros, and easy firmware updates, while remaining approachable for newcomers thanks to friendly software and a straightforward layout. Switch options vary in feel from tactile to linear, allowing users to tailor their experience to FPS battles or productive work. Compared to the K70 wireless mechanical keyboard, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the K668 focuses more on wired stability and customization rather than wireless convenience. At number 8, we have K70 wireless mechanical keyboard. This model stands out for wireless versatility, with reliable Bluetooth connectivity and a clean, compact form factor that travels easily in a bag or laptop case. Battery life is respectable for a wireless keyboard of this class, and the layout remains comfortable for long sessions thanks to ergonomically spaced keys and a low-latency pairing mode. Keycaps are legible, and the overall typing experience blends solid resistance with quick actuation. It supports profile switching, which makes it convenient to toggle between work and play devices. Compared to the Ryzo Phi mechanical gaming keyboard, which I have included as number 7 on this list, the K70 emphasizes wireless freedom and portability over raw gaming thickness. At number 7, we have Ryzo Phi mechanical gaming keyboard. This ultra-slim entry is built to handle intense sessions while staying compact, delivering anti-ghosting for multi-key combos and spill resistance for peace of mind during casual spills. Combines solid build quality with an appealing typing feel, offering responsive switches and consistent backlighting across keys. The keyboard typically ships with durable keycaps, reliable polling rates, and straightforward software access for customizing lighting and macros. While the form factor favors a lighter footprint, it still provides dependable night-use visibility. Compared to the AULA F99 mechanical keyboard, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the Ryzo Phi leans more toward a slim profile and quick travel than broader feature sets. At number 6, we have AULA F99 mechanical keyboard. This model balances connected versatility with classic mechanical feel, often including Bluetooth wireless option and swappable switches to adapt to different user preferences. Targets both productivity and gaming with a robust key technology, a comfortable typing curve, and a stable chassis that resists flex under heavy use. It typically presents strong value through bundled software, routine firmware updates, and reliable compatibility with major operating systems. It's a strong pick for gamers who want deep customization without breaking the bank. Compared to the MageGee 60% mechanical keyboard, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the AULA F99 emphasizes broader compatibility and a more traditional key layout. At number 5, we have MageGee 60% mechanical keyboard. This travel-friendly unit trades a full-size footprint for a compact, highly portable form, perfect for minimalist desks or on-the-go setups. The 60% layout yields a clean, distraction-free workspace while still delivering essential gaming controls through layered function keys. Expect solid build quality and dependable key stability with a crisp, short actuation travel. Some models offer hot swappable options and durable PBT keycaps with crisp legends. Emphasis is on portability and efficiency rather than an expansive feature set. Compared to the Corsair K70 RGB Pro SE, which I have included as number 4 on this list. The MageGee excels in compact practicality, but trails on software depth and premium materials. At number 4, we have Corsair K70 RGB Pro SE. This premium entry delivers a sturdy build and a refined typing experience, supported by per-key RGB lighting and Corsair's ICUE ecosystem for deep customization. Chassis often uses a solid metal or aluminum top, complemented by reliable, durable switches and a responsive feel during long sessions. While not the most feature-rich board in Corsair's lineup, it delivers dependable performance and high compatibility across titles, with advanced lighting effects that synchronize with other Corsair devices. It also emphasizes consistent polling rates and robust key stability. Compared to the Corsair K70 RGB Pro keyboard, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the K60 Pro SE focuses more on a balanced, accessible premium experience rather than top-tier multi-device versatility. At number 3, we have Corsair K70 RGB Pro keyboard. This flagship-grade model showcases premium switches, a strong, sturdy chassis, and an emphasis on dependable ergonomics for long gaming sessions. Per-key lighting shines through vivid animations, and Corsair software provides extensive customization, including macros, profiles, and on-the-fly macro recording. The board supports robust key rollover, excellent debounce behavior, and a refined stabilizer design that minimizes rattle on longer key presses. It's a favorite among enthusiasts who demand consistent performance, stable firmware, and a tactile, satisfying typing force. Compared to the Logitech MX mechanical keyboard, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the K70 leans more into pure gaming polish and Corsair-exclusive software layers. At number 2, we have Logitech MX mechanical keyboard. This wireless powerhouse blends multi-device Bluetooth connectivity with solid mechanical switches, long battery life, and smooth, whisper-quiet operation when paired with laptops or desktops. The layout favors productivity with comfortable spacing, a familiar typing feel, and dependable key actuation. You'll find a versatile pairing experience across Windows, macOS, and mobile devices, plus a responsive companion app for shortcut customizations and lighting control. In gaming, the latency remains competitive, and the built-in options for switching between devices prove invaluable for multitaskers. Compared to the SteelSeries Apex 5 hybrid keyboard, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the MX Mechanical emphasizes seamless multi-device workflows and battery efficiency over an all-in-one hybrid switch experience. At number 1, we have SteelSeries Apex 5 hybrid keyboard. This top-tier option blends the tactile feel of mechanical switches with a hybrid membrane punch, delivering reliable durability and a gentle bottom-out that suits both typing and gaming. It supports configurable per-key RGB, high-contrast keycaps for legibility in dim rooms, and a dedicated multimedia cluster for quick control during long sessions. SteelSeries Engine software offers precise macro programming, remapping, and lighting profiles, while the hybrid switch design aims to minimize fatigue during marathon play. Keyboard excels in cross-platform compatibility, easy firmware updates, and ergonomic padding on the underside for sustained comfort. Compared to the Redragon mechanical keyboard, which I have included as number 10 on this list, the Apex 5 hybrid sets a premium standard with its hybrid approach and polished software ecosystem.